What is the new sleep apnea device? If you or someone you know is struggling with sleep apnea, you're likely eager to learn about the latest innovations that could make a big difference. Let's explore some exciting new developments in sleep apnea treatment. One of the most promising new devices is the VortexPAP, developed by researchers at the University of Cincinnati. This device uses vortex airflow technology, which is designed to be more comfortable for patients. Unlike traditional CPAP machines that require a tight-fitting mask, the VortexPAP has a minimalistic design that barely touches the face. This makes it ideal for people who feel claustrophobic or uncomfortable with the traditional masks. The VortexPAP delivers the necessary air pressure without the need for a tight seal, reducing issues like air swallowing and facial discomfort. This could significantly improve patient compliance as many people stop using CPAP due to these discomforts. The researchers are working towards commercializing this device with support from the UC Venture Lab, which is helping them build a business plan. Another innovative solution is the Inspire sleep apnea treatment. This is not a machine you wear on your face, but an implantable device that helps keep your airway open during sleep. The Inspire device includes an implantable pulse generator, a stimulation lead, and a sensing lead. It works by gently stimulating the muscles of the tongue and palate to keep the airway open. The Inspire device is implanted during a same-day outpatient procedure and allows patients to return to work in less than a week. It's particularly beneficial for patients who cannot tolerate CPAP therapy due to issues like mask leakage, facial pain, or nasal congestion. The device is controlled by a remote, which patients use to turn it on before sleep and off after waking. Recently, Inspire Medical Systems received FDA approval for their next-generation device, the Inspire V. This new system includes a next-generation neurostimulator and Bluetooth-connected patient and physician remotes. It continues to deliver mild electrical stimulation to the hypoglossal nerve, which controls the tongue muscles, ensuring a more comfortable and restful sleep. These new devices represent significant advancements in sleep apnea treatment, offering more comfortable and effective solutions for patients who have struggled with traditional CPAP therapy. Whether it's the VortexPAP's innovative airflow technology or the Inspire device's nerve stimulation, these innovations are set to improve the lives of many people affected by sleep apnea.